Hi, I'm Todd Lanman. I'm a neurosurgeon and a spinal surgeon here in Beverly Hills for the last 30 years. I performed over 5,000 surgeries for conditions such as back pain. And back pain is a condition that plagues many people. What is that caused from? Back pain in general, and what I mean by that is pain centered or just slightly off to the sides in the low back, can be caused by several different things. One of those conditions is degenerative discs, where the discs collapse over time and create pain. The other thing are the facet joints, which also are on the right and left sides, and those can degenerate, become arthritic, and cause back pain. In general, those two conditions cause most of people's back pain and can be treated very effectively. Degenerative disc can be treated with artificial disc replacement, which I'll talk about in another video, as well as facet joint disease, and we'll talk a little bit about that as well.